this vlog. So it's actually day 6 and yeah, I did not shoot for a long time. I was in a rut, basically consuming so much content. When I stopped, the only thing that I could do for my therapy was paint, water the plants. Life update. So today is 18th of March. I had chapatis and cold coffee for my breakfast. So the dosa was not for me, it was for my dad. I ate 2 chapatis and cold coffee. Slapped. We're getting back. We're going to work out. Hey guys, I'm reading 2 books. One is YouTube Secrets. The other one is this. 101 essays that will change the way you think. It's been therapeutic for me personally. I've worked with so many brands, you guys. Guys, I think I'm going to give you all the cutest haul by far. Pedigree veg for adult. Madhu is an adult. Cash is flowing. I have one calcium bone, milk bone. I have another calcium milk bone. So that's it. That's what I bought for Madhu. Madhu is excited, guys. Madhu! Juice kuditya. Juice. Guys, let's do taste test. I'm not faking it, it's really good. I mean, it's good for hydration. By hydration, I mean. Hi, I just took bath, so let's do my skincare. I'll never forget to apply sunscreen because Bengaluru is boiling. Feels so good. ಯಪ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಅವರಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Hi vlog, let's talk. Like I told you all, I went on a rut for like 3 days. I could have used it in multiple different ways, but I think your body needs some rest at some particular time because it just cannot function the way you want it to function. So I think it's okay to take a rest and never forget your goal. Get back to track and start again. It's okay and there's no problem in resuming and then starting over again. Like don't shut down completely. And I do have a lot of brand deals and there are a few rejections that's happening, so I need to reshoot, I need to edit it again. That I'll be doing tomorrow. Feel like it's kind of hard right now for me mentally, physically, personally, but we're not going to stop. So that's the motivation for today. No matter where you're stuck in life, you can do it. Take a rest, it's okay. Take some rest because your body needs rest in order to slay back in. So I kind of went into this illusion that, oh, I'm not going to do this, I'm not going to complete this challenge. I think I should never post this video. But guess what? I have posted the first chapter video and it's just the beginning. How can I just stop it like that? Yeah, this is a challenge for me. Like it's just not the word challenge, but this is actually challenging. So I will be probably busy tomorrow shooting for the brand. I have completed 100 pages from one book and the other book I guess I've completed around 12 to 13 chapters. Guys, say hi to Muddu. Oh my god, don't, like that's saying hi. Why do you want to do this to them? Sorry guys, she's kind of high maintenance just like me. For the lunch, we have curd rice again. This is some kod bade and we have our amla pickle that is made by me. And we have some cold water. Aha. Best summer lunch ever. Updates, I made a pizza. Oh my god, it is so cute. I'm literally learning how to cook, so it's gonna be fun. just watch a YouTube video of my favorite influencer, Kannada influencer by the way, and her name is Sanjana too. And the videos and whatever I see, basically of two people, and both the creators' name is Sanjana. My name is Sanjana, guys. If you all didn't know, I think all Sanjanas are like slaying right now. Just saying. This pizza is the bang on, like, full of flavor, and cheese is just adding up. And cheers to me for making this pizza, making my life so much fun. Slapped, like literally slapped. I have this sudden urge to work out, and guess what we are doing? I got this when I was working out, so let's unbox then work out. What's up, bro? From a brand Asaya. Let me just show you the full product. I thought this is gonna be like a spray. Hot summer girl vibes.
Cash, cash, cash. Get money, get money. It's bam, bam, bam. Hey, it's bam, bam. She wanna flick for the gram. Toda esa puta saben who I am, so she wanna check this beach on cam. Like,
I think I went way too far. Can you all like... Okay, bye.